Pioneers, this is the seated leg curl. If you're shorter, you're gonna have to move the seat angle up higher, so you pull on the knob and you bring it forward. If you're taller or longer in the legs, you're gonna have to bring it back. I'm gonna turn it all the way up because I know my settings. And when I sit down, I want my knee to line up with this pivot point right here. I'm gonna get in, and I want this to be snug, right above my kneecaps. I want this piece, which can also be adjusted with this knob, to be right underneath my Achilles at the bottom of my calf. When I actually perform this movement, it's important that my back stays on the mat and my butt stays on the mat. I can hold on wherever I need to so that I can push myself, and I can adjust the weight over here. These machines in lower weights, you can adjust by turning the knob for 5-pound increments. You can also take the bottom knob out and put it back in. With this snug and not too high or crushing my leg, then I'm just gonna bend my knees and bring it back up. This is a seated leg curl, so it's gonna work the back of my leg or the hamstring muscles. And that's it.